So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to analyze data that is obtained with calc software through the OCEC instrument, and just show you a couple things on using Origin software. So we'll begin by opening Origin Pro. The one version we're using right now is the Origin 2017, as we can see here, and we are using the 64-bit version. So we'll just let this software load for now. And the first thing I kind of want to show you is how to upload an import that will help us import our text file data from the OCE instrument a lot faster. So this screen that pops up here is just Origin Central. We don't really have to pay much attention to this. I think it's just some preset graphs and whatnot, but we won't be using any of that. So I will close this for now. And so the first thing I want to show you is this Add Apps button right here. So I'm going to click this, and this is what it's going to allow us to upload our text files. So first we have to install the app that was created by from a tech from Origin for us, so that was nice of him. So I'm going to click yes, I want to upload this. And right now the file is under in Dropbox, under AK group, instrument protocols and manuals. And then we go to our OCEC instrument, and then here it's called OCEC import.opx. So what this is just a file that's going to allow us, like I said, to upload text files. And then once you have this installed on your computer or in the computer lab, you're going to have to install this at each separate user because you're not an administrator, so I couldn't really get it on the system. So you're going to, from there, once this is uploaded, you should be good to go. So here I can click on the OCEC import, and then it's going to open up a window and ask me to search for file. So in this case, I'm going to find my file that I have uploaded here on my USB drive. So I'm going to click USB drive. I have it under OCEC, and then just the name, date of my file. So I can double click this file, and it's going to import the raw text file from the OCEC instrument and upload it here. So as we can see, it created a new worksheet for us and very nicely separated out all of these tabs for each sample into separate worksheets, which will come in very handy. So as you can see, if you look up here, we have our time frame of the OCEC analysis in minutes as well as seconds, and then we have our FID1, FID2, and then things like laser and our pressure and desired temps. So we got everything that the raw text file has given us right here, nice in a spreadsheet in Origin. So kind of the last thing I want to show you for this video is just creating graphs in Origin. So in this case, I want to plot my time versus my FID1 signal. So what I'm going to do is highlight both of these, and I'm going to go on to plot. Let the computer load here for a sec, and then click line here at the top, and then line once again. And this is going to create a nice little graph for us, similar to Excel, that we can see our data. And so once we have our graph here too, we can go and minimize this graph. We'll put it at the bottom for now. And then we can see, like I mentioned before, we have all our tabs. So for the graph I plotted, it was actually my wood smoke, one of my wood smoke samples. So we can also go in here if we wanted to, and then create another graph if we wanted to. And then lastly, the last thing I wanted to show you, just kind of how you look at things like before I minimize my graph. So if we ever want to get that stuff back, we have a Project Explorer on the top left here where we can go in and double click our graph, which will pop it back up for us. And same thing, if we wanted to hide our book here, we kind of just double click and it would go away. Double click it again and we have it up here. And finally, just to save our data, we can go File, Save Project As, and then just wherever you want to save your file. Right now it's under my USB drive under OCEC, and then we can just save it here